Hello from Speaking Academy. Our story is Mike's New School. This story will teach you new vocabulary at A1 and A2 levels. Have fun! Let's learn the key English words in this story. They will help you understand it more easily. Here are the words: nervous, excited, confident, kindly, hobbies, yard, bus stop, street, hug, proud. Mike's new school. He wears a bag, a jacket, and shoes. He feels a little nervous, but also excited. At the gate, he sees many students and teachers. He meets his teacher and new friends. They write, read, and listen together. At lunch, he eats a sandwich, drinks water, and talks with his friends. One friend gives him an apple, and they laugh together. They share stories about their families and hobbies. In the afternoon, they play in the yard. Some children run, others play ball, and a few sit under a tree. Mike runs with his friends and enjoys the sunshine. The sky is blue and birds fly above. After school, Mike walks home slowly. On the way, he sees a shop, a bus stop, and some dogs in the street. When he gets home, he tells his mother about the day. She listens carefully and hugs him. In the evening, Mike eats dinner with his family. He shows his new book to his father and draws a picture for his sister. He feels happy, a little tired, but proud of himself. At night, he goes to bed early and dreams about his next school day. Great job! Practice the story daily. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Goodbye!